Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Penny Mutale. As you can see, today's video is all about making cabbage tomato sauce. That's the process. Me in the kitchen chopping my cabbage in order to start my cooking. Right now I'm done with the chopping of the cabbage. I had to put water on the fire in order to steam the cabbage before cooking it. Here are the main ingredients for preparing this delicious cabbage tomato sauce. As you can see, here is the meat, you have the crayfish and also some dry fish and equally tomatoes with onions. The water is ready, it has to boil. Then I start putting my cabbage inside, let it steam for about 10 minutes on the fire. After that, I take my tomatoes, I chopped my tomatoes. Done with the tomatoes, now chopping my onions. I had to use some few green spices in order to spice up the cabbage tomato sauce. Done with the chopping of my green spice, I'm now with my dry fish, removing the bones from inside. It's time to take off the water from the cabbage, that's the sift. I have to strain it out in order to remove the water that it has shed and the one that was inside while steaming it. Guys, cooking is not easy. For me, when it comes to cooking, it's actually not an easy deal, seriously. I have to put it here, make sure all the water is out. So now I'm steaming my meat, my cow meat, after seasoning with pepper, salt and onion with Maggi. Now it's my pepper. I want to blend my pepper. guys, I'm an eater of pepper. I love eating pepper. My food have to be spicy with much pepper. Now it's my ginger and garlic. I'm chopping my ginger and garlic in order to easy the blending. I had to add some white pepper in order to make it more spicier. Just a little of it, not much. A little bit of water to easy the blending. I'm done blending my pepper, ginger, garlic and white pepper. It's time for cooking. I put my pot on the fire, adding some groundnut oil. I had to put much because it's a big pot of cabbage. Let it hot for about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I put my salt, put my onions and my green spice. Let it fry for about 5 seconds. Stir it up so it shouldn't get burnt. And now put in my tomatoes. Stir my tomatoes. I have to stir it and let it cook for about 10 minutes to 15. That's my pepper, garlic, ginger. I'm putting inside. Stirring it, let it boil for about 10 minutes. I put my meat and my fish. Stir also, let it boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then put in my cabbage. While putting, I make sure I'm stirring it so it mixes very well. I have to stir it properly. Here is my crayfish that I'm applying inside, and also stir as well. Guys, this dish is yummy and delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Adding some salt. Then stir in order to get the desired taste of it. Some Maggi cube and Maggi crayfish. I equally stir again to have the real taste. So I have to leave it on the fire for about 5 minutes after putting everything. And now it's time for my plantain. Actually guys, you can eat this cabbage tomato sauce with yams, cocoyams, rice, whatever you have to eat it. But I am a lover of plantains. I love plantains. In every case you always see me cooking plantains. I prefer to use plantain. You can eat it with plantain, yams, cocoyams. Some even eat it with gari, and also rice, potato, sweet one, or even irish. But I prefer plantain because I'm a lover of plantain, as I earlier said. So while it's on the fire for the 5 minutes, I take off my plantain and started peeling, taking the peelings off. I'm done with the peeling of the plantains. I had to add some water, put it on the fire, add some salt, close it, let it boil for about 30 minutes. Let me say 25 to 30 minutes. And here it is, was ready for consumption. And here is the cabbage tomato sauce, guys. This food is delicious. So please, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment.